Hello again. After solving a couple of issues with the installation of Autoware and building Autoware, um, now it builds fine. One advice is if you can't build it with Open Planner, then you just clone Autoware from the official source and clone this Open Planner repository inside the external folder of universe. So if you go to Autoware universe, source, universe, and external, this is the where you should put Open Planner, clone Open Planner repository. And the most important one here, package, is the OP CARLA bridge. Okay. Um, then this is done. Let's see what else we want to clone. To prepare also one folder, I call it OP Carla, and there is three repositories: OP Agent, OP Bridge, and Scenario Runner. From where you can get them from Hatem-Darwish GitHub repository. You'll find OP Bridge here, OP Agent, and Scenario Runner. For OP Agent, OP Bridge, Scenario Runner, we need to get the branch ROS2. This is the one that is compatible with Autoware Universe. So you will find ROS2, and for OP Bridge, you will find also branch ROS2. How to make them work? Please follow the instructions in the OP Bridge um, README, and also Agent. To make things work, you need to download the additional missing the data, the point cloud, and the maps. It's here from I uploaded my version, which is a bit, the map is a bit modified to include traffic lights. So you will find the maps, map, the point cloud maps for localization, and the vector maps with three formats: KML if you want to use it with Open Planner. Um, this is the old vector map for Autoware AI, and this is the Lanely 2 that will work with Autoware Universe. Okay. Um, Now we cloned those and we made sure that they are in the pointing to the ROS2 branch. We followed instructions. In the OP agent README and OP um, bridge README. Okay. Um, Now, when we go to ROS2, you will find that there is a bit slight differences in the run, the script. There is additional script for ROS2. Okay. Um, Additional advice: when you download the agent or in the bridge, let me make sure um, OP bridge uh, or OP scripts. Let me go to ROS2 and exploration. Okay, this is very important. I run the simulator, CARLA simulator, on a different machine on my network, and this is the IP of that machine to connect to, because it's difficult to run both Autoware Universe and the simulator on the same machine. Okay, so change this if you are running both on the same machine, change this to localhost. Okay, this is the IP to the simulator. That's it. Um, okay, and this will run for town 1, and if you want town 2 or town 3, just change the name. Um, okay, now let's try to run. We made sure we have OP planner here, everything builds. Um, so I wanna run, but I wanna modify the launch file to include um, the bridge. How can I do that? Uh, I will go to, if you wanna run with Autoware um, original launch files, launcher, Autoware launch, and we will just modify this one. Okay, so modifications for Autoware.launch will we will add a parameter here called launch CARLA interface and default true. If you make it false, you wanna disable the CARLA interface so it doesn't interfere with other tasks you are doing with or tests you are doing with Autoware Universe. We are running a simulation, so we don't need um, the the drivers. So where is the launch, the drivers, map sensing, um, we just need to disable, yes, sensing drivers, and we want to use simulation time. Okay, and here we added this line which runs the CARLA point cloud node, or the interface between the bridge. This is another bridge between the bridge and Autoware Universe. You will should find these information in uh, this updated file here. You can run it from the Open Planner um, launch. Yeah. So this is the modified file, or you just modify this file. Both are okay. Okay, that's the launch file modification. Another important modification is to be able to use the map. The maps are doesn't have uh, the lanelet 2, which comes with Carla. It doesn't have GPS information, so it's not UTM, and origin is 0, so we need to select different mode for GPS. But unfortunately, we can't modify this here. We need to go to the GPS launch file and modify from there. So where to modify this? We go to the sensor kit, sample sensor kit. Okay, and in the sample sensor kit launch, GNSS launch. Okay, you will find here the coordinate system, the default is 1 using MGRS. We need to use UTM. So we need to use, sorry, plane, and we need to select the plane zone to be 0. This one, because this one is not um, exposed outside where the node. the GNSS node. So we just add plain zone 0 and uh, coordinate system. Um, the We choose plain time. Okay, so um, after this step, we are ready to go. I will just run the simulator on my other machine. Okay, now simulator is running. Um, I will go to the CARLA bridge folder. As I said, there is three repositories: OP agent, OP bridge, and scenario runner, and they all on ROS2 branch and set up following the tutorial and the README file. Then I will go to OP bridge, OP scripts, and run exploration mode ROS2. Okay, one thing I forget, I modified the launch file, but I didn't tell the Carla, the bridge, to call this launch file. Okay, so this is another thing we need to take care of. Which launch file we gonna use, and this is we go to the Carla bridge scripts. I think it's open. Let's open again. No problem. OP scripts, exploration, ROS2. This runs the agent, so we need to check the agent, not the bridge. Start agent. Okay, as you can see, we need to start the ROS launch, the launch file. This is start. Sorry, um, this is for ROS one. ROS two. Okay, so this is the launch file we modified here. Okay, this is the GNSS launch. Um, okay, this is the launch file we modified just now. So, and this is the map folder. It will take the map name and select a folder. Um, and the vehicle model is the default, the sample sensor kit. Okay, about the maps. Um, Here are some the data. Okay, so those are town 1, town 2, town 3, um, but I just create another folder called map 1, map 2, map 3, or town 1, town 2, town 3. It depends on if you want to use the bridge, call them town 1, town 2, town 3, because it will try to find the folder from a folder name from the town name. Inside, I just named the Lanelet 2 map and Point Cloud map for each town. So I don't have to pass it every time. You can customize that and change the map name if you wish. So this is the Lanelet 2 and this is the Point Cloud. That it's this will point to. Okay, if you see here, it's in the folder I'm in now, and it will go to town 1, for example, and from town 1 it will select either for the vector map Lalito and the point cloud here. Okay, so with that modified, let's source first the ROS and Autoware. Okay, let's source Autoware. Autoware universe. CARLA Autoware universe. Um, okay, install setup batch. Now we sourced both. Uh, let's run the script, run exploration mode ROS2, and let's see. Okay, it now contacting the simulator, loading the ego vehicle. Um, Sometimes it can't load the Vigo vehicle. It's a connection problem. If it's on the same machine, maybe it will be faster. But yeah, second time it loaded the environment correctly. Now running uh, Autoware, loaded the map, loaded the vector map. This is the Carla, and localized correctly automatically because it uses the GPS and the GPS and the IMU, and now we're waiting for route. Sometimes it just stuck in initialization, and this is I don't know why, but if I run it again, it will work. So we need to check this, but it doesn't happen all the time. So I don't know fixed behavior, or I can't reproduce this issue. So let's plan um, some route. For example, go around to this direction, planning, and you can see here the camera image. Um, okay, engage, waiting for engage, and engage, the car is moving. This map has traffic lights, and actually we can also control traffic lights. If we add the traffic light uh, publisher, we can select this traffic light, the ID 29889, 29889, red, set, publish, and it's red, then the vehicle should stop in this traffic light. Okay, stopped just on the line. And then if I reset the traffic light or just set it to green, set, and then it will publish green and the plan will continue. And here you are, Autoware Universe working with uh, CARLA simulator. So enjoy.